Now next is that the spontaneous formation of the simple organic molecules. Now all of you know that how the inorganic molecules they formed from the free atoms, means when the free atoms they combine in the atmosphere, then they form the inorganic molecules, primitive inorganic molecules. Now when these inorganic molecules they combine, then they form the simple organic molecules. Okay, means inorganic molecules they combine to form the simple organic molecules, then simple organic molecules they combine to form the complex, then complex organic molecules they combine to form conservates, then conservates, from conservates eobionts they form, and from the eobionts first primitive cell it forms. So that we had already discussed in the flow chart. Now we have to do this in detail. So when simple organic molecules they formed, okay, so most of the simple organic molecules like which formed, they formed in the ocean. Now what is the reason behind that? Because when the inorganic molecules they were formed in the atmosphere, so they brought down by rain when the atmospheric water that was condensed. So that is the reason that in the primitive earth, that most of the simple organic molecules, sugar, fatty acid, glycerols, amino acids, and organic bases, so they were formed in the ocean. Now next is that the formation of complex organic compounds from the simple organic compounds. So when the simple organic compounds came together, okay, and combine to form large complex organic molecules like polysaccharides, fats, proteins, nucleotides, and nucleic acids. Okay, means the simple organic molecules when they combine to form the complex organic molecules. Now next is that how the formation of conservates occur. Okay, what are conservates? When the large complex organic molecules they came together and combine, then they form the conservate. So now this is the structure of the conservate. And because of the evolution, what happened that these conservates that became very selectively absorbed, means they were became very selective in nature. How that they selectively absorbed proteins and other materials from the ocean. Okay, and these conservates they were capable of growth. So when they show growth, then after the growth, after full growth, they divide, and after division they form this type of structure in which conservate it is divided to form so many conservates. So it means that from starting from the inorganic molecules, now this structure it is responsible for growth also. It is showing the growth also. Okay, the life which start from the inorganic molecule, now where it comes to a molecule, to a combined molecule conservate which is showing the growth also. Now next is the formation of eobionts. Eobionts means that how the conservates they evolved themselves, means how they evolved themselves to become more specialized. Okay, now they were showing the metabolism also, growth also, reproduction also, and by evolution what happened that nucleic acid controlled mechanism also occurred. Okay, which was not present later on. Nucleic acid controlled mechanism were also there, and which helps in the duplication process. And when duplication is there, then what happened that it results in the formation of the first primitive living system called eobionts. Okay, earlier they were responsible only for the growth, but now They were showing the metabolism also, reproduction also, nucleic acid that is also under controlled and showing the controlled duplication. So now it results in the formation of the first primitive living system, which arises from the inorganic molecules. And inorganic molecules, they arises from the free atoms. Now next is the formation of the first cell, first primitive cell. How it occurs? That first RNA, then DNA form, then DNA acquired the ability to mutate. Okay, so mutation, that also a factor of the evolution. First RNA, then DNA form, then DNA acquired the ability to mutate. So when mutation will be there in the DNA, then what will happen? Some more different characters that will be evolved in the cell, in the eoboints. Okay, so when DNA mutate, then it changed the synthesis of the protein formation. And some proteins, they act as enzymes also, because enzymes, they are proteinaceous in nature. Okay, so when protein formation will be there, then enzymes formation will also be there. And enzymes, they increased the rate of the reaction. Because of the presence of the enzymes, the reactions which were occurring very slowly, so it catalyze the reactions in a very fast manner. So this is how, from the inorganic molecules, how the first primitive cell it forms. Okay,